Hi class, welcome to ENG3U. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create your online reading journal. For this particular assignment, you are going to be required to create a website. And this website is going to host all of the assignments and tasks required of you for your independent novel reading. If you're unfamiliar on how to create a Google site, in this video, I'm going to be walking you through step by step on how you can get started on your online reading journal. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up your web browser. In the search bar, we're going to go to Sites Google. This is going to direct you to sites.google.com. So you want to make sure you're going to Google Sites sign in. Each one of you are required to have a Gmail account, so you shouldn't have a problem. Just make sure that you're signing into that account. You're then going to go, and as you can see here, there are some templates. So you can feel free to use any of the templates that you see here, or you can create a site all on your own. So we're just going to create a blank site, okay, just to show you how it's going to look. Okay, and it's going to look something like this. Now, I've made a title for my site, and I want to make sure that you guys follow the same format. So your Google site should be your name, ENG3U, Online Reading Journal. You can create an abbreviated form. Just make sure that whatever site name you give it, it is clear. The class code is in there, and your name is in there as well. Okay? So on your first page, on your home page, and again, you can change this. You can use a template. If you're very tech savvy, you can do a lot of different things here and just show your skills. So we're going to create a home page. And really get as creative as you like in this particular assignment. You could create a small bio page. You can do videos as you read through the chapters, creating summary, however you feel most comfortable expressing yourself as you complete this assignment. Okay, so as you can see here on the right-hand side, we have various options. We can insert a text box. Okay, so this is going to insert a text box, and I can say novel, and then the novel that I've chosen. Oh, novel. Okay, and maybe I want to write some information. This novel was chosen, blah, 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 blah. Okay. And then we go on, and you can write as much as you like. You can insert an image. So you can upload an image from the web, or if you have some images on your drive, you can do that as well. Embedded just means a URL link. So each one of your Google documents, there's a link that you can just copy and paste and put in the embedded file, and it'll automatically put that particular page on your Google site. So let me give you an example. So this was our independent novel reading. As you can, I can just copy the URL. I go back to my page, and I go to embedded, and then I just paste. As you can see here, it says enter URL. I'm just going to paste that in here. I'm going to select, and it's going to insert my file. Now I can change the sizing of this, and I can make it look different, etc. Okay, so that's what embedded means. You have different options for layouts of how you would like your page to look. And then it has some other features here. If you wanted to insert a calendar, maybe this is something you want to do for your reading log. YouTube, again, you've created some videos and you want to share them. maybe you've created for your presentation, for your pre-reading presentation, you can go to slides and you can search the slide that you've created and directly put it into your link there, right? So if I wanted to put in the slide that we created for the first lesson, I just click on it and it puts it into my page. Okay. Went back to home page and you can see it there. Now, if I want to create pages, as you can see, I have a home page, but I also have a reading log. So this is a new page, right? So on this new page, again, I can insert and do all of the same functions as I did on my home page. And then I could keep adding pages. So I can add a new page, right? So we can put one. I can either put that as a new page or I can drag. If I can drag and drop. It's not letting me do that right now, so I'm going to drag and drop into my reading log, and as you can see here, now I have my page. So it's a sub page. So maybe there's some other information related to my reading log, or I can simply go into maybe label chapters. And then we're going to go into chapter 1, chapter 2, etc. Okay, so chapter 1, and we're going to drag that in there, etc. Okay, so you're going to be doing this on your own. Again, you can just play around with it. It has different themes if you want it to look different. Just take some time to go through the application and see what you come up with. Okay, so this is an opportunity for you to use your creativity as well as a place for you to keep all of your independent novel reading ISU material in one place. Now, once you've created your website, you are going to be required to share it with me. So just make sure that you are constantly updating it, as I will constantly be checking your website as we go through this course. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding your online reading journal, again, please feel free to email me with any questions and concerns that you may have. Okay, class, take some time to create your Google site right now, and I can't wait to see it. Bye.